Anyways, as you can tell, it's cold. It's really cold. Cranky. And we've got all this gear on, so I think I'm just gonna stop it, go get the truck, drive back down here, hope for the best, and then rip this spot back here. Because we really want to warm up here, but it's gonna be kind of hard to warm up flying for the day when you're freezing. Yeah, I even have these like hobo gloves on that I made.
Put my goggles over my hood.
Still not helping. So, going to get the truck. Let's go. Ooh, it's warm.
Because I was cold and I was watching you the whole time because I was concerned.
Were you just wondering like
that. What?
Were you wondering like what the heck is this dude doing?
Yeah, I was like, I'm freezing my butt off.
There you go. He's learning, you guys. We offer a family-friendly environment on my channel, and I encourage you to never feel uncomfortable about sharing my footage with your family or your children.
I should have said tushy. Freezing my tushy.
Tushy.
My tushy. I'm not feeling the spot.
I'm feeling frisky.
I'm scared. This is like crazy.
So come down the other side, down the entrance. The skywalk is on the other side. It's got a little gap between it and the building. So come, power loop up and over. Come towards us under the drive-thru. Up over the building, power loop, and then drop back into a split S back under the skywalk. And then if you make that, just fly around and enjoy the fact that you didn't just break a quad.
Nailed it.
That was sick nasty. Pop, 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 pop.
Pa!
Like a gangsta. Pop, pop, pop.
Pow, pow!
Now we got a dip. Cops are coming.
Like a ninja.
Someone's watching and they're
Ninja.
like, he's doing some bad stuff over here.
Like a ninja. You tired of me saying like a ninja? Ooh, 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 I love a... Oh, I just love it when it works. Just love the feeling when it works.
Yeah, that was good.
When it works, it works.
Now for
and when it
some
doesn't,
tacos.
you break. No, we're not eating tacos. You're not convincing me of Mexican food tonight because, one, we just ate tacos last night at home.
Oh, did you really?
Yeah.
Well, that's not fair.
And they were like...
That's not fair.
They were like banging homemade
They were
tacos.
like
yeah.
banging good.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I need to do.
All
I need to
the,
put some-
as they say down here in the South, all the fixins.
all the fixins. And then...
Yeah. And then.
And then. Just keep filming me. Just do it. Just keep doing it. Zoom into my eyeball. Do it. All the way as close as you can.
Such a good looking camera though.